So enye into ebaluleke kakhulu as a trader uku-understand the market direction. Abanye beke bethi enye indlela futhi ukuyibiza i-market structure. So njengobona la ngibhale u-market direction, ngabhala u-buy and sell. So if i-market liku-uptrend, i-market lithatha i-direction eyaphezulu, sekulokhu sikubiza nge-uptrend. If i-market liku-uptrend sibheka ukuthola ama-buying opportunities. And if i-market liku-downtrend, i-market isuke lehla lisuke lithathe i-direction eyaphansi, lokho sikubiza nge-downtrend. And whenever kune-downtrend we seek for ama-selling opportunities, siyasell. Enye futhi structure se-market noma i-direction, i-sideways direction esibiza nge-range. So if i-market li-range, I suggest ukuthi ungaparticipate kuleyo market noma kuleyo trade, ungatrade inhlobo, because i-market alikakakunikezi i-clear direction ukuthi liyaphezulu noma liyaphansi. So if i-market libehave kanje, it's best ukuthi to stay away from trading. Uthukuma kancane lize i-market lithole i-direction seliyaphezulu noma seliyaphansi. So if i-market liyaphezulu lisuke likwi-uptrend. So whenever there's an uptrend, into ozoyibheka i-trading opportunity kumele uyisike noma uyibheke i-buying opportunity. So if i-market njengoba liyaphezulu uzolinda isikhathi noma uzoba ne-timing whereby uzothatha i-trade ya-buy because i-market liyaphezulu. And if i-market liqhubeka liyaphezulu, after usupressile u-buy noma usungenele kwi-trade ya-buy laqhubeka liyaphezulu, then lapho-ke uzobe usuka ama-profits. Nakhona futhi to explain i-downtrend, njobona ukuthi okay i-market liyaphansi. So after usubona ukuthi i-market selithatha i-direction eyaphansi, umsebenzi wakho ukuthola opportunity ozokwazi ukuthi ungene kwi-market then uthathe i-trade ya-sell ngoba i-market liyaphansi. Then if usuthathe i-trade ya-sell and i-market liyaqhubeka liyaphansi, then uzokwazi ukuthi uwenze ama-profit. But if i-market li-range, if i-market li-range lingenayo i-clear direction, it's best ukuthi ungapartake kulelo market lelo, because isuke lingakabi nayo i-clear direction ukuthi liyaphezulu noma liyaphansi. Isibonelo nje esilula nansi, yabo ukuthi la i-market alicacisa ukuthi liyaphezulu noma liyaphansi on this particular day, but ngosuku elandelayo uyabona ukuthi okay after i-market selidlulile laphezulu, uyabona ukuthi i-direction yalo ukuthi liyaphezulu, then la ubungakwazi ukuthi uthathe i-trading opportunity la noma ubambe le candlestick then hold for i-hour. But if i-market li-range kanje, it's best to stay away, uzulinde i-confirmation ye-market likunikeze i-clear direction, it's either ukuthi liyaphezulu noma liyaphansi.